Ever wondered how to make a delicious homemade ham and egg pie? It's easier than you might think. This savory delight is perfect for every occasion, from a family dinner to a picnic in the park. And the best part? It's a breeze to make. Start with the pie crust. It's the foundation of any good pie. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with a half teaspoon of salt. Then, cut in 1 cup of shortening until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add 4 to 5 tablespoons of cold water, tossing with a fork until a ball forms. Cover and refrigerate for an hour. Now let's move on to the filling. You'll need 6 large eggs beaten and 1 cup of diced ham. In a mixing bowl, combine the eggs and ham, along with a half cup of shredded cheddar cheese, a 1/4 cup of diced onion, and a 1/4 cup of diced bell pepper. Season with salt, pepper, and any other desired spices. Next, take the chilled pie crust and roll it out on a floured surface. Carefully transfer it to a pie dish, pressing it into the bottom and up the sides. Trim any excess dough. Pour the egg and ham mixture into the prepared pie crust. Smooth it out evenly. Now, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the pie on the middle rack and bake for 35 to 40 minutes, or until the filling is set and the crust is golden brown. Once the pie is done baking, remove it from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Then slice and serve. This homemade ham and egg pie is sure to be a hit with your family and friends. Enjoy. While the dough chills, turn to the filling. Begin by sautéing 1 finely chopped onion in a tablespoon of butter. Once the onions are soft and golden, add 2 cups of diced ham. Cook until the ham is lightly browned. In a separate bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs, a 1/4 cup of milk, a half teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. This gives our pie its creamy, savory filling. By now, the pie crust should be ready. Roll it out on a floured surface and fit into a 9-inch pie plate. Trim the pastry to 1/2 inch beyond the edge of the plate. Now, layer half the ham and onion mixture into the pie crust. Pour half the egg mixture over the top. Repeat with the remaining ham, onions, and egg mixture. Fold the overhanging pastry over the filling, crimping the edges to seal. Cut slits in the top to allow steam to escape. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes, or until a knife inserted near the center comes out clean. Let the pie rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. And there you have it. A delicious homemade ham and egg pie, perfect for any occasion. It's a savory delight that's sure to impress your guests. The crust is flaky and buttery, the filling is creamy and flavorful, and the ham adds a smoky richness that's simply irresistible. So why wait? Get in the kitchen and start cooking. You won't regret it. Remember, good food is about more than just eating. It's about creating memories, sharing love, and savoring every bite. That's it for this recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes. Bon appétit!